Hi, welcome back to What's Cooking at HEPL. Today we are going to cook something from the New York Times Seafood Cookbook, white bean, tuna, and fennel salad. I chose this because our Oceans of Possibility summer reading program for all ages goes on through the end of July 31st. So let's get started. The first thing we do, we're using white beans. I'm using cannellini beans. We have 3.5 cups of cannellini beans. I'm pouring in a shallow serving bowl. Then we're using canned tuna. This is tuna canned in oil. We're going to flake it with a fork a little bit and then add it to the beans. And this is 6 ounces of tuna. I have reserved the oil from the canned tuna and then added olive oil to it. So for a total of 6 tablespoons. Then I'm going to add the zest of 1 lemon. And about 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Now I'm going to add this to the salad. We're going to add 2 cups of chopped fennel bulb. 3 tablespoons of minced fennel fronds, and a 1/4 cup of red onion. Then I'll mix it all together. We'll add some salt and pepper to taste. And here you have it, a nice healthy summer dish, white bean, fennel, and tuna salad.